So for Jumpshot, we use this little slingshot method with a rubber band that pulls back, and then we use a solenoid to release it. And it worked consistently throughout the whole sprint 2 and got us the 8 points that we needed. Probably going forward, all I need to do is change the rubber band every time we're gonna do like a competition right before we do the competition.
Okay, so for our dunk on sprint 2, we had a lot of difficulties that we didn't anticipate. So first, when the robot's moving towards to collect the balls, the slide track kind of slides out and the box is already slid out a bit, which causes not all the balls to be collected. Additionally, for the money balls, when they're coming through here, there's a gap right here, which caused some of them to fall out. So we did not get any points for that. For 2 rounds though, we did score dunk balls in the yellow zone, which was good. And all 3 rounds we got a point for collecting the balls. And moving forward, we also wanna look at string management because often during our testing, the string would get caught. And we need to make a new spool as it was broken for the morning of sprint 2.
And I'm here to talk about possible failures of our machine going forward. There are many. First of which is the dunk task. Specifically, the spools required to pull out the pulley and make the dunk actually work. You can see in my hand are failures that we've had so far in terms of spoolage. This spool broke and these spools failed to print. So here we are, kind of at an impasse. What do we do to design the spools better? That's the question. We don't know. We've also just got many internal components working together in the machine, and we constantly have to redesign. It's a little bit of a just a lot of things to manage. There's a lot of break risk, and so unless we have a bunch of spares, we are looking at a lot of possible failures.
So this is the state of our ramp system for the pass functionality, and so during the sprint we were able to get it out of the starting zone all three times for 1 point, and then unfortunately it veered off course a little bit because of hitting the tape. So it was not able to hit the bucket 2 of the 3 times. So to address this, I think what we're going to do is maybe make the ramp longer, and also exactly figure out the angle at which this is going to be. And I think by making these refinements, we'll be able to make sure it definitely hits the bucket, and also a lot of testing. So I think that's what we're going to be doing for the pass.
During competition, our robot experienced unexpected string management issues and slide track issues. In the future, we will add string management checks to our checklist to make sure that they don't happen again, and secure our slide tracks so that when the machine comes to a stop, the slide tracks don't slide out. During competition, when that happened, it failed to collect the balls in the way that it should.